It's time to take a moment just to reflect and look back on our summer and what you've gained throughout the summer. It's really been an incredible experience, and I want to thank each and every one of you for the diligent work that you've done in this course. It's not easy to be a working adult and taking classes, so I really appreciate your time and your effort, and sometimes it's extra effort during the summers, so just know that I appreciate that, and it's really been a true honor to share this course with you. So just very briefly, in this module you will be completing a short presentation about your synthesis assignment, and you're going to share those key elements with your classmates through the discussion board. So you can either video yourself, you can do a short PowerPoint, you can do just a couple of slides. Don't make this bigger than it needs to be, just to bring some of those key elements that you brought forth in your assignment to share with your classmates. So just if you have any questions or concerns about that, please let me know. There's more information in the discussion board as far as specifically what to do. And this is a short module, so just please take note of that and make sure that you do your course evaluation. I value your feedback, and it helps me to make the course better as we progress. And just like everyone else, I am in a constant mode of continuous improvement. So anything that I can do to make the course better for future students, I would deeply appreciate your feedback, and also let me know what has worked really well. And that's also helpful to know what are the keeper items, so to speak, of the course, as well as those things that may need a little fine-tuning. So with that being said, you've come a long way, and it is time to celebrate. And we have demonstrated that epidemiology is really infused into absolutely everything that we do. We've developed those very, very strong critical analysis skills, and these are skills that you will use throughout your practice and throughout your education as you progress in your coursework. So again, it's just been an honor to share the course with you. If you need anything in the future, please feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to hear how things are going for you. And for those of you that I get the opportunity to share more courses with, I'm looking forward to that as well.